I'm now going to show you how RADICL's Manage Attack services is set up. The way RADICL does Manage Attack Surface or vulnerability management is we leverage the endpoint agent that's used for our MDR service. With that, we get visibility across the entire ecosystem of servers, laptops, workstations, and we can help identify the missing or uninstalled patches for those systems. You can see here, you'll get quick reports and visualizations across the vulnerabilities, whether they're addressed or not yet applied. In addition to that, each week, our security operations team will review the findings and prioritize the top 2 to 3 that need to be addressed right away. You can see in this system, we have a couple patches that need to be applied that are documented at the bottom of the page. When I click into this, you'll find the remediation guidance, the instructions of how to do the patching, what needs to be installed, how to install it, and all the instructions that are necessary to accomplish that. Additionally, we'll track the machines that need this patch. With that endpoint agent in place, we'll be able to monitor when the patch has been applied, as well as when it was identified, making it very easy to provide the auditing details necessary as you go through your CMMC certification.